Yeah, what's up guys? Mwena n'abakira n'abashemererwa n'abakurusya umwaka 2023. Ngene rizoba ningireje niyo lesson yo kubanza mu mwaka w'2024. This is the first lesson in the year 2024. Ntugumiza munano kwego Runyankole, learn Runyankole, which is yega Runyankole. Orikubikoretera no hash ni Muhozi Dennis Kafaras. Kafaras ni chumanyiso umufaras. You know why I do or no manya bwenchi ni kwariga bintu byona akugira ngo tata wanje no mama wanje bakamuzara rukumo rwenda okay tinchijuke no akubamuzara kungubwira ubamuzara oge shenkura kabanarga Masaka shenkura kabanarga Buganda kupakasa kwizrati yasanga mama bamuzire ubwiro bwe bakabambarara. When he came he found my mother was just born. And he came with a mattress that was made from cotton. And you know, before that, before that, abantu bakabano barara mifaraso erumwe binyasi. They were sleeping on mattresses with grass inside. You get a sack, put grass, that's your mattress. Ukukwate deya uteka mwe binyasi ugugubo mufariso. So after a time ebinyansi bukona and obihindura utamwe bisya atshwenkura kabayiza no mufariso gurumu pamba te kukura no rya mpaka aho ritamirwa. So kuyasengera mama bamuzire yajara toke obuntu bwo bwire bwo kutandika umwana wanje namweta Kafaras kujya mu music untandika kurara mufaras. So that word Kafaras means comfort. So what I'm trying to do is to make you comfortable. Ninjeza ko baretera obusinje kugira ngo buri cyone cyo kwenda kikwikeho umaka gawe wabanonda kwegora Runyankole orwegera sumu yawe wabanonda ko mwene buri kimwe na IT yona ninyigisa no bishanga chano yanjeje mwene hati nimbaretero ndamusyo kurwo mu kibuga Budapest. I had some few people benye n'abantu bacha bo kugira ngo nshimeye kuba ningambo muri Runyankole n'abanyishomesa. Aha nanyinjira nti yes it is good but ninyigisa abanda bo kumanya urujungu. So when I first introduce in English I think you get what I'm trying to do. Nabanza nkashobora omurujungu ninjira ngo no chenga ekinkuza kukora kuba. Here in Budapest, I'm learning Hungarian. The teacher, mostly the content yom chitabo is la Hungarian, and it is difficult. Content yom chitabo yom Hungary. So chugumiro muntu we iwe kweshomesa akubato kubichenga konka kunogera ngubine English na Hungarian chikabiri changuhire munongo muntu kweshomesa. So that's why I put my things. There is Runyankole, there is English. It is easy to you to teach yourself, even without me FaceTiming with you. Okay, now I'm checking a part of the sound. I think to reach. Katujendo make sure. Ejen African Consulting, ejen company and chitongore chanji chindu muni ninja za kukora. Ndiyakora masters degree ya kabiri kunda jeze imbateka tikeri kintu cyamani cyangwe kindaze gukora Runyankole buryo muwena katangara Runyankole buri muntu we no munsi yo ndashimiye kumanya Runyankole. Hey ni mbasimu mwa okugiza abukunsi